Now I'm at the Sigma booth. Of course, I come to look at this 105mm f1.4 lens. Look at that. This is really heavy. This is 1.4 kilogram. So this is heavier than a lot of cameras. And the filter thread is also 105mm. So 105mm focal length, 105mm filter thread. Look at that. Oh, always have to do this trick. So this one is with, now it's with tripod mount ring. If you want to use handheld, you can take off the tripod mount. And also this got a mount for Nikon, Canon and Sony, yes. And if we put on a camera, loud with a camera. Look at that. With a lens hood as well, it's making it even bigger, look at that. Now it's really front heavy, that's why you need the tripod mount. Why is it so heavy? Because it got 17 eminence in 12 groups. A lot of glass in there, big glass as well. Understandable there is low IS, but for a lens this big, if you add IS, it will be even bigger. Now if I try to take photo with it, now the minimum focusing distance is 1 meter, actually quite quick. It is pretty quick. Also there is this 70mm macro lens. This is the first macro lens for Sigma Art series. If we take off the lens hood, it is a pretty compact lens. So this gives you truly one-to-one reproduction magnification, and the minimum focusing distance is 25.8 centimeters. Doesn't sound too close, but when you keep turning the manual focus in, this is the closest focusing distance, and 25.8 centimeters is from your sensor, so you're getting so close. You just get one of these into the whole frame, whole full frame, just this. Ooh. Of course, you still got autofocusing, and you can limit it to macro or more normal distance, like 0.5 meters to infinity or the full range. Especially if you're doing macro, you want to limit it to just the macro range, so that it don't waste time to going to the full focusing distance of this. Now, other than the two new lenses that's available, so Sony mount, 7 of the art lens will have a Sony mount available as well. So now it's native for Sony cameras, and the autofocusing will be much faster than just using adapters. So 2 new Sigma lenses add to this growing art series of lenses. And of course, the best news for me is that a lot of them are available for Sony cameras now.